gonna put this thing on, make sure it's tight, everything's in. Okay, it says to power it on and hit that medium mode to crush ice. Wow, that is crazy. Look at that. It's all crushed in like 4 seconds. That's crazy. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of this Ninja Professional 1000 watt blender. It matches my air fryer, of course. Nice and the black and silver theme. So anyways, let's see that crush ice again. I thought this was probably the main sell point of the thing. This thing just crushes ice in like 4 seconds. If you leave it on longer and you put more liquids in it, you could make a basically a slurry of stuff. It has a really good locking top, and you're not supposed to use it without that top on. Looking at the blades, 6 really sharp hard blades. It basically cuts things on the mid section and also the top areas too. So very sharp, very